You're thinking about getting our coffee printer to create amazing artwork on your coffee, but you're worried that operating it might be too complicated? I can definitely put your mind at ease about that in this video. I'll show you in a moment how easy it is to upload images and how straightforward and quick the printing process is. So stay tuned. First, of course, we need something to print the desired image on. Here I have a regular cappuccino with milk foam. With the included placement pad, we can position the cappuccino right in the center. Then you simply select the image you want and click on print. So it only takes 2 clicks to start the printing process. And after just 8 to 10 seconds, the drink is already printed. To upload photos, images or logos to the coffee printer, first click the upload button on the left side of the home screen. This QR code will then appear. Using your smartphone, whether Apple or Android, you scan this QR code. Our software for image upload appears directly on your smartphone, and you don't need to download any app or register anywhere. You now have 2 options here. In our Colorato gallery, you'll find many templates on various topics. Simply select any image you like and confirm the upload. The second option is to upload from your own smartphone gallery. Here too, you simply select your desired photo or logo. You can easily adjust the size and orientation of the images. After you confirm the upload, the image appears directly on your printer's home screen. This also works with selfies you've taken beforehand. If the lighting conditions of your image aren't ideal, you can optionally adjust the brightness and contrast during the image upload. Alternatively, you can also print out the QR code for the image upload, include it in your menu, or place it directly on the table. This way, your customers have the option to send their own images directly from the table to your printer. So that you can later assign the uploaded images to the correct customers, you can activate an image upload number on our coffee printer. Both your customer receives this on their smartphone and you see it on the start screen. Especially for trade shows and events, our selfie cam is an absolute game changer and will definitely have your customers lining up. To take a selfie with the selfie cam, simply click the camera button at the bottom right of the start screen. The selfie cam can be placed anywhere you like, whether behind the printer or in front of it. After you press the shutter, the image immediately appears on the start screen. Here you also have the option to adjust both the brightness and contrast of the image afterwards if you wish. The selfie cam is connected to the printer in advance via USB and therefore works even without an internet connection. Of course, the whole thing works with any cup or glass size you like. For example, if you have larger cocktails or small cups, you can easily adjust the print diameter. The print area can range from a minimum of 4 to a maximum of 9.5 centimeters. You can save your own cup sizes as quick selections using the S, M and L buttons. To do this, press and hold one of the 3 buttons and enter the respective cup or glass diameter. This way you can select the correct print size with just 1 click. However, you can also skip this step if you always use the same cups anyway. A question we often get from customers is whether you can save the images so that logos don't have to be uploaded every time. Once you've uploaded the images, they remain on the home screen and can be printed again and again. So you simply select the image and can print it as many times as you like. If you ever want to delete an image, just press and hold it, then click on delete. To give your logo and brand maximum visibility, we have the watermark function on our coffee printer. With this feature, you have the option to combine your logo with the uploaded images. This means that on every image that is uploaded, your logo will appear in the lower third. And now I'll show you how easy it is to set this up. First, click on Settings and then on Watermark. A QR code will then appear, which you can scan with your smartphone. You can now select and upload your logo, which you have previously saved on your smartphone in the format 800 by 200 pixels from your gallery. Alternatively, we can also handle the installation of the watermark for you. From now on, all images uploaded to your printer will automatically have your logo as a watermark. Even photos taken with the selfie cam will have the watermark integrated, making it a great way for you to advertise. You can also deactivate the watermark at any time with a push of a button. If you have any further questions about our coffee printer, just contact us. I'm calling it a day now and treating myself to this delicious cocktail. Cheers!